This triple-digit heat wave might be too much for your old, outdated air conditioning unit. So how do you know if it's time to replace your unit? You call this guy, ABC 15 Home Pros expert Eric Bryant. He's the owner of Precision Air and Plumbing, and you're going to help us replace our unit without emptying our bank account, because this is a big investment. How do homeowners know, hey, it is time to get a new unit?
Well, there's a lot of different signs, really, and quite honestly, most homeowners are pretty keen on knowing their unit's getting up there in age, it's making some noises, it's kind of struggling, they've had some repair bills. You know, my kind of general rule of thumb, Susan, is if you're spending more money annually in repairs than you are on preventative maintenance and your system's older than 10 to 12 years old, it's time to start getting prepared, get some estimates so that you are prepared somewhat for when that big expense does come.
Yes, and there's so many brands out there. I know you know this. How do we know which brand to go with? And how do we know what size unit to get for our
Great questions. You know, every contractor out there has a specific manufacturer that they work with, right? So they're biased to some of them. But at the end of the day, what a homeowner really truly needs to be concerned with is the warranty on the system from the manufacturer. All the big names, Trane, Goodman, Carrier, they're all good systems. They're made right here in the US. But secondly, and most importantly, is getting a good contractor. The installation of these units is key on how they're going to perform, and also making sure that a contractor properly sizes it when they come in to replace it. Going like for like, 4-ton for 4-ton or 5-ton for 5-ton could be the worst thing you could do. Manual J load calcs need to be done, so selecting a good contractor is imperative.
Yeah, we want to save you money. You don't want to spend more. So how long does the entire replacement of an AC unit process take generally?
Well, the estimate process could be quite lengthy, and honestly, if you're being proactive, it should be. You should get multiple estimates to find a company that you're comfortable with. But from the time you decide on what unit you're going to purchase and what company you're going to go with, generally you're looking about 72 to 75 hours, 3 or 4 days, if there's metal that's got to be made. So 3 or 4 days is generally the average.
All right, so we've made the investment. How do we keep our unit running properly?
Well, listen, people highly underestimate the value of tune-ups and inspections and making sure that the thing is serviced. This is a big investment, you know, $8,000 to $15,000 investment. It's the third largest investment for most homeowners aside from their home and their car. So you want to take care of it. Getting it serviced with a proper tune-up, not just an inspection, and having a contractor come out. A lot of people think, well, I just bought a new unit, it's fine, it doesn't need it. Wrong. Even a brand new car needs the oil changed in it. So take care of it once you get it, and you'll be happy you did.
Why should we call Precision Air and Plumbing?
Well, that's my favorite question. We're #1 ranked AC company in the state for 9 years in a row. We're just nominated for the Better Business Bureau Ethics Award for Ethics, the Torch Award.
Congratulations.
We really focus on people. We're much more focused on taking care of our customers. We have a saying, people before profits. We just feel like if we take care of people the proper way, the profits will take care of themselves.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, customer service is a big part of this industry. There's a lot of competitors out there.
There is, and our customers are the reason why we are #1 and we are where we're at.
Yes, and I know this is also important for you to make sure that we get these inspections, not inspections, but these tune-ups at least once a year, right?
Once a year. I mean, a lot of companies will tell you need to have it done twice a year, but really one good tune-up a year is all you need. Go with a company like Precision that does a $159.95 complete tune-up, not just an inspection, and your system will last a lot longer.
All right, and what do we do if our unit goes out in the dead of summer?
You call Precision. 602 Fix My AC. But here's another quick tip on that. Shut the unit off. If it's not working, shut it off, call a contractor, get out and take a look at it. Don't let it keep running.
That's right, because they're available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And he has a special offer for our Sonoran Living viewers. The first 25 callers will receive $1,000 off any new unit purchase. Call 602 Fix My AC. That's 602-349-6922, or visit precisionairandplumbing.com. Got home projects? Follow Precision Air and Plumbing and other businesses that can help you. Find our list of experts at abc15.com/homepros.